Good morning, guys, from beautiful Yangon city, Myanmar. And today is another day in Yangon, about to experience some nice landmarks, about to visit one of the famous landmarks called Shwedagon Pagoda. It's a sacred place for all Buddhist people of Myanmar, and it's so religious place and so beautiful at the same time. And here I am. This is basically the beginning of the entrance to the pagoda. It actually starts from down below there and then continues walking up this side. Here people selling a lot of religious stuff, like Buddha statues, Buddha portraits. So many stall markets here. So beautiful. So guys, this is the basically stairs that leading up to pagoda, and you can see it. Also, before you enter this side, you need to remove the shoes. This is what I've done. And now just walking barefoot. And for 1,000 local kyat, you can buy a bag for your shoes to carry. And same as down there, it's all around the stairs. You can find some goods related to Buddhist, and you can buy as a souvenir or as a part of religious item. Also behind my back there was like security check. However, they didn't check me properly because they trust that I'm not carrying any prohibited items to the temple, guys. So guys, here I am. Welcome to Shwedagon Pagoda. Just behind my back, the beautiful golden stupa, golden pagoda, and very sacred place of the whole of Myanmar. And I'm so lucky to be here. So special it's to be here, you know. So guys, here I am. This is the most beautiful and sacred place of all over Myanmar. This is the Golden Pagoda, and this is the best ever temple I visited so far in all of my life. Wow, look at this, guys. So beautiful.
And with I walk as a guide. This is the most important place in Myanmar, one of the largest one. If you wish, I offer you. Let me share you around here because this is very beautiful and very important for us.
Okay, how much is it?
Just $10. Myanmar 40,000 just. This
Okay.
is the we call Tuesday corner. Tuesday corner means the day of the week on which they were born. They were born on Tuesday, so that's when they are come to Tuesday corner. They are offering the water, flower, so many offerings, something like that. As well, if you wish, you can offer like this. Yeah, but you must remember which day you was. Are you remember which day you was?
No, I don't remember.
Like this something. Okay, don't worry, we can check it out.
It's okay, no problem.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Okay, yeah. Can I hold it for you?
It's okay, no problem.
Okay.
So guys, look at this beautiful pagoda behind my back. The only one that's covered with the pure gold, and the rest just basically covered with the artificial gold. And it's so magical to be here, very beautiful, so many people. As well, I don't see any tourists, guys, but yeah, tell me.
So this is the place, one of the important place for, especially this way, it came to here to make a wish to get the baby. Man and woman, they fell in like each other. They got married after got married. If they want to get the baby, they came to here, make a wish to get the baby. And the left side with the flower baby tree, it was for male child. And the right side holding the lotus flower is for female child. That's why some couple they came to here, make a wish to get the baby. So it will walk a lot of couple. They came here not only Myanmar but also some foreigner as well. Hello, welcome to Myanmar and welcome to the Venerable Temple of Myanmar Shwedagon Pagoda.
So here is the one of the temples. We're gonna go inside.
The people when they came here, first of all they sit down and they use the 5 fingers like that together, and then they 3 times, firstly 3 times bow down. After 3 times they make it a wish of prayer. After when they finish their prayer, they bow down 3 times again. 3 means we pay respect to the first for Buddha, second Buddha or teaching, the third for the monk. That's why we bow down like 3 times. So like some people they will take the book, they are praying, chanting. This is what we call religious book, prayer book. We Myanmar call Pali. It was different from Myanmar language. They believe that by praying to gain good karma and to get the peace for the.
Also, look at the beautiful ceiling, guys. Very beautiful. So nice. Here we go next.
So first of all, let me remind you, mind on your every stay, very slippery because now it's raining, the floor is getting wet. This way if you go to downtown area.
So guys, here we are next to the big Buddha, big sitting Buddha, and actually it's under renovation right now, but my guide, he showed me one life hack, how to get fresh air to Buddha. So basically here is a lever, basically a rope, you need to pull it, and fresh air coming to Buddha's head. I'll show you. So basically it's like this. So we just gave fresh air to the Buddha, and right now actually is a little bit raining outside. That's why we are like under the cover in the temple. But it's pretty much beautiful here, very peaceful vibe. A lot of local people, not much tourists. Actually, I'm alone here, but it's so beautiful here. No, kunda. It's okay.
They pay respect, they give the bread and they coconut, flower, banana, some money, and they make a wish to take care for them. Whatever they do successful to get fortune.
interesting, guys, here is the another type of god that's very common in Thailand and Myanmar, and people giving as a present, as a donation to the god, basically pieces of flowers, some banana. Very nice. Interesting culture, and so unique. You cannot see such a thing anywhere in the world except of Southeast Asia, basically.
And they change their clothes. And you want to go on to put the fashion you want.
Together energy to go with our together this man together whatever it was people on take the happy sadhu 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 you say sadhu 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 sadhu.
Just get some energy from Buddha, like energy rituals to get some prosperity energy from the Buddha, basically. Also, guys, it's a little bit raining, but it's okay. It's not that heavy rain, just very small, and it's still pleasure to walk around and enjoy the pagoda, you know. So, guys, behind my back you can see the Shwedagon Pagoda, one of the sacred places in the whole of Myanmar, and so many tourists coming every day, but right now it's not that much crowded over here, so you can enjoy once you come. Open from early in the morning until 10 p.m. And if you really like the video, please leave your comments down below and subscribe on my channel. So, guys, this is basically the beginning of the way leading up to the Golden Pagoda. And actually what you need to know also, it's about like 30,000 K cost the ticket for the tourist, and also additional 10,000 K for the skirt to cover your knees. I'm really satisfied with the experience of Shwedagon Pagoda. And now I'm just on the street, going down the street actually to another park. Don't remember exactly the name of the park, guys, but it's so beautiful. There are so many lakes, and so another reclining Buddha, I think it's called the park with reclining Buddha something. And this is the streets of Yangon. With additional price, with additional money, you can also take guide with you around pagoda. What I did actually, I paid additional 40,000 for the guide. But guys, you need to support local business, and locals, because honestly life here is quite challenging for everyone and there is no tourist at all. I'm alone walking around and everyone staring at me with a curiosity. So these are the prices regarding to visit the Shwedagon Pagoda.